The reason you see so much peeling paint in a bathroom is because there's more moisture in this room than any other room in the house. So that's why it's so important to use your bath vent fan every time you take a shower, and for 10 or 15 minutes after your shower, let it run and make sure you're getting rid of all of the moisture. But then when it's time to attack some of the peeling areas like this, first of all, you want to scrape all of the excess peeling paint off, then you want to sand it a little bit, then apply a coat of primer to all of the problem areas. Then make sure you use a good quality caulk to caulk wherever the drywall touches your shower stall or tub area. After that, 2 more coats of paint, and I would suggest using either eggshell or semi-gloss to really provide a more washable surface and one that's a lot more resistant to moisture.